I'm going to show you how to make a Thunderclap. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass. Then to that, you're going to add about 3/4 of an ounce of blended whiskey. Your favorite brand will do, since you're going to be the one drinking this. So pick out your favorite brand, and that's what you should use. Then we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of brandy and 3/4 of an ounce of gin. Alrighty. We're going to shake this up. And then strain it into a cocktail glass. Here we are. And if you like, you can feel free to garnish that with a twist of lemon. There we go. Just like so. And there you have a Thunderclap, which can also be done as a chilled shot, so it is up to you. Cheers.